So in this session, we will see introduction to sheet metal design. Okay, so introduction to sheet metal design. The sheet metal design help describe the task for creating sheet metal parts and features using Creo Parametric. Refer to these help topics for information on. So we will see these one by one. So these are the topics. So first one is the shading of the sheet metal design. So we are defining the bend allowance, develop length, defining a bend table, or bend order table, then setting fixed geometry, setting defaults, parameters, converting to sheet metal parts. Okay, we'll see this one by one. We'll seeing the adding sheet metal walls to design, preparing design for manufacturer. So these are the points. Then modifying walls, adding relief. Okay, so we will see this one by one. Bend lines, then notches, punches, sheet metal forms. We will see these sheet metal forms. Okay, what are the sheet metal forms? Sketch forms are many types faster than punch or die forms, but the current limitation makes it not very useful. Probably 80% of the forms I use could be sketch if it were not for these limitations. Okay. Currently, the temperature is limited to 30 degrees. Allow the taper to be any angle to make form manufacturable. Currently, taper is applied to extruded surfaces. Allow extruded surfaces to extrude taper, so features as such as bridge lances can be created. Okay, we will see this. So to access the sheet metal workbench in Creo Parametric, go to the new. Then in the new, select the part. Then in the subtype, select sheet metal. You can edit the name. Click OK. So okay, so we have to this select working directory. Sometime it get lost. So we will go to the select working directories as this. So this is where my files will be saved. Sheet metal. Then okay. It takes some time. So okay, so we have opened the sheet metal. So this is the model space or graphics space. This is where we create a metal part. Here is the navigation tree, just like the part design. Here we are the tabs. The first one is the datum tab, then the walls tab in this, then the engineering tab, bends tab. Okay, so this is how we can create a bend here. Then editing tab. Okay, so we will see this one by one. Here we have model tab. The part design tab is open here, and create a model also to sheet metal. Then what you have to do, you have to select a plane here. Okay, and if you want to change the parameters, go to the prepare. First go to the file, then go to prepare. Then in the model properties, you can edit the model properties here. So here we have sheet metal, so you can see this. Here are the sheet metal properties, the thickness. So this is the default thickness, the bend allowance, then the bends radius, thickness, inside outside. You can change it from here. Just go to here, just change it, and you can change the bend radius or bend angle from here. Okay, so you can simply select the sheet metal preferences in the general settings, the bend allowance. You can edit this. Then if after editing, just click apply and okay. Here you can change the relief, the seam, miller cuts. Then there are the feature geometry. So this is how you can change the model properties. Okay, so we will see this. Just now we will see the planar and extrude. Go to a plane, say sketch. I will create rectangle here. I will create a center point rectangle. Click OK, and I will create a planar wall. Go to planar. You can give thickness here. And also there are the body options. Okay, references. You can change the direction of the material. Okay, just click OK here. This is how you can create a profile. Then you can create an extrude. Just go to the sketch, select a plane, select the top plane, sketch. We'll create a line here, extrude, and this will be extruded. So this is how you can extrude the sheet metal part using just a line or profile or sketch. Okay, click OK. Now there is also, these are the options. Symmetric, if you add symmetric, just right here, click OK. This is how you can extrude from a sketch. Then create a flat wall, just go to the flat option, then select the edge. I will select this edge and you can create wall. Just you can change the direction also. Okay, just drag it here. So this is how you can create a wall. And change the thickness side. Let's see this here. See this. See this. You can change the thickness side. Okay. Then there is, you can change the bend position for where you want a bend. If you want an angular bend, you can just click here. You can create a value here, parameters, and also change the angle. So you can see this. You can change the angle. So this is the angle. This is how you can create a flat wall. I will see flange. Just go to the flange. It will create a flange on this edge wherever you want. Okay. So you can create a flange here. Also change the shape. Just go to sketch. You can change the shape of the wall. Okay. Sketch and create a here. I will create a sketch. Okay. Just click OK after when you complete, and you can see this. This is how you can create a sketch to flange. Just click OK. You can also change the thickness side just like the flat wall. Also give the length here, bend position, and change the bend position. And see this here. Change the bend positions. Okay. See this. Just click OK. This is how you can create a flange or sketch flange. You can also get the sketch. Then there is a boundary blend. We will see this. This offset, you can also create an offset here. Offset distance of 100. Just click OK, and this is how you can create a offset sheet metal part. This sheet metal has been offsetted the distance. There is a revolve. You can also revolve. Just go to the define, sketch. I will sketch here. I will create a line. Then I will create a center line. Okay, and this is how you can. So this is how you can create a revolve, just like part design surfacing. Just click OK. See this here. This is the revolve part. This has taken of 10 mm. Sorry. So there is a sweep command. Let's see the sweep command. We will need a trajectory. So I will create a sketch here on this plane. Sketch. Then I will create a sketch here using spline. Second, third, fourth. Okay. Then I will need a section. I'll sketch a section. I'll create an arc. 3 point. I will need a center and end. Okay, so I will create a center and then just click OK. The sketch has been. I have deleted the arc here. Okay, you can see the sketch in the sketch section. I have created a complete circle here, a boundary. First I have created arc. It has not accepting the arc open profile, so we will create a close profile. This is how you can create a sweep here. Just click OK. So this is the sweep metal part. Okay, So we will see the extruded cut. Go to extruded cut and you can create a extruded cut on any surface you want. Surface, create a sketch and just say okay, and this is how you can create a extruded cut. See this? Just you can change the thickness options. There are options, variable, symmetry. And edit these parameters and just say okay. This is how you can create extruded cut. Now we will see unbend. Just go to unbend and you can create the bends. So just select the bends and just say okay. This is how you can unbend the. This is the bend I have unbent. So unfold, you can unfold this bend. Okay. Also define a bend here. Okay, and create a line. So I'll just create a line here. Surface sketch. And you can see this on this line a bend has been created. Okay, so if you select okay, this bend will be shown here. Okay, so this is how you can make a bend from a line. Okay, this is bend, so it will automatically bend. You will see now, see the bend outer here. Okay, there are also blend and rotational blend, just like we seen in part design and surfacing. You can create a rotational blend and to blend also. Okay, so now we will see the forms. Okay, we will create a form on this surface. Go to form, sketch form. We will create a sketch and create a form. Okay, just set the surface where you want this. Create a sketch. I will create a rectangle here, center point. Just say okay, and you can see this. This is the form. This form has been created. So you can also, in the options, you can exclude surfaces. So I want to exclude this surface. Okay, so this surface. Then okay, let's extrude this surface also. Press Ctrl and press Ctrl. So this is how you can create a sketch form. So you can also give it non-placement edges. Okay, then placement edges. This is the placement edge, and corner has been created here. Fillet has been created. Then change the radius here. Just click OK when you are done. See this. This is how you can create a form. Okay. So whichever sketch you want, you can just click on the surface and get a sketch. And like that, you can create a form. Okay. So we'll create a circle here. Okay. And now I will extrude the upper part. Okay. Extrude this part. And I will create non-placement. Placement. Okay. See, this is how you can create a form on a sheet metal. Okay. So now what I will do, create a wall here. I will go to flange, create a flange on this edge. Okay, I will go to the rib. See this, create a rib here. Okay, and create a corner relief. This is how you can create a sheet metal parts in sheet metal in the Creo Parametric. Okay, you've seen the sheet metal form. So it works is the bend order. Here is the bend order table. Okay, so just in the flat, flange, extrude, planar. Okay, this is how you can create a digital part. Okay, now we will see how to create it from solid. So we'll close this, create a new part here. We'll create a part. I will extrude this. Then I will go to the operations and convert to sheet metal parts. I will convert this solid into sheet metal. So driving surface, create this extrude surface. I will extrude this surface. Okay, give the thickness. We'll give thickness of 50 or this first, second, third. Just click on share. Then remove surface. I will remove this surface. Will be thickness of 10. You can see this. Okay, and see this is how you can create a sheet metal part. The sheet metal tab opens and create a bends, forms. Okay, extend. You can extrude, cut, forms. You can create on this sheet metal part which is created from solid. Create bends like this. Okay, this is how you create bends. Okay, just click OK, and you can see this sheet metal part has been created from a solid. You can see this. So this is the sheet metal part created from a solid cube. So thank you.